everyone. I'm so glad you're here. Welcome to our class today. Are you guys ready to get started? First, we're going to start with the Pledge of Allegiance. Come on, let's go. Remember, when we do the Pledge of Allegiance, our right hand goes on our heart and we're looking at the flag. Are you guys ready? Here we go. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Do you guys know our flag song? If not, this is the perfect time to learn it and sing along with me the next time. I keep my hand on the heart. Flag of America, red, white, and blue. Flag of America, a salute I give to you. Great job! Now here comes Mrs. Bruns for special time with you.
Hello everyone at Awatuki Preschool. Well, not really at Awatuki Preschool, but hello boys and girls. I hope you're helping your parents at home and being good little children like I know you all can be. So today, right now, I would like to sing, this is Mrs. Bruns. I would like to sing one of our class's favorite songs that they really enjoy doing with the movements and everything that we learned in chapel. So please, if you're watching this, sing along so it's not just me singing, okay? And we'll do the motions together also. Okay, so here it's gonna be deep and wide. So ready? Deep and wide, there's a fountain flowing deep and wide. Deep and wide, there's a fountain flowing deep and wide. Now guess what? Who remembers the first word we're gonna leave out? That's right, deep. So we'll go on deep. And wide, there's a fountain flowing and wide. And wide, there's a fountain flowing and wide. What's the next word we're gonna leave out? That's right, wide. Ready? Deep, excuse me, I wasn't ready. Ready? And there's a fountain flowing, and there's a fountain flowing, Now the third word's going to be fountain. Ready? And there's a flowing, and there's a flowing, Now we're going to leave out which one? That's right, flowing as well. So this is the fun part. And there's a and there's a Thank you, boys and girls. Give yourself a hand. Today I'm going to try and show you a little science experiment. And before we get started, I'm going to show you what we're going to be using. And then, just like yesterday where I showed you how to do math equations, I would like you to, we'll separate the things we're going to use into two piles and we'll count them. And then I want you guys to try at home to make your equation where we use the plus and the equal sign. Okay, let's get started. So I have 3, 1, 2, and 3 clear glasses. We're going to use 3 glasses. And we're going to use 3 different colors of food coloring. So we've got green, red, and blue. So if we put all 3 of these 2 sets of 3 together, this will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So remember that number. That's going to be one of the numbers you're going to use in your equation, the number 6, because that totaled to 6 things. And I have some more things for you to use in your equation. We've got, I wish I could have you guys all smell this and guess what it is, but if I smelled it, you guys, I don't do that because I like the smell of this. You guys would probably go, I don't like that. So this is vinegar. That spells vinegar, V-I-N-E-G-A-R. It's kind of a funny looking G. So we have 1 vinegar. This is called baking soda. We have 1 of those. And I only have 2 eyedroppers. And if boys and girls, if you don't have eyedroppers at home, I guess you could probably use a small, little tiny spoon, okay? But hopefully you've got an eyedropper at home. So these things total up to 1, 2, 3, 4 more things. So remember that number. So you're gonna have a 6 plus 4 equals, and you're gonna have to figure that out at home. And I bet you your brothers or sisters or moms or dads could help you. So you have a 6 plus 4. All right, so to get started, first we're going to use a little vinegar in each cup. I'm not gonna do a lot because I'm just gonna do a small experiment with you guys. And in these times, we don't wanna be wasteful. So, or any time you really don't wanna be wasteful. So here's 2 cups of vinegar, and you guys are probably being, ooh, I don't like that smell, but I really do like the smell of vinegar. Reminds me of dyeing Easter eggs when I was a little girl. Then I'm gonna turn one of the vinegars, I'm gonna add a little blue food coloring. I'm gonna give it a little stir. It's hard, this one was hard for me to film. My computer tipped kind of towards me. And then I did some green. I don't know if you can see that, it's turning green. And then let's do this other one in red. So by using green, red, and blue, guess what? We've got all the primary colors, the ones that are used to mix up together to make all the other colors. Because I bet you guys know if you mix red and blue, what do you get? You could, when you do your science, you can figure it out if you don't know already. And then I'm gonna take the baking soda. I'm gonna move my colors out of the way. You guys might use a tray or something else like that, but we're just gonna sprinkle some baking soda on the tray. And if a lot of lumps come out, you can kind of just crush them with your hand. It feels kind of cool to touch this stuff too. It's very soft. Okay, so I've got some baking soda. Then you can take your, oh, moms and dads, I gotta tell you. Let's see if I can find it, here we go. If your children know that you've got one of these in your kitchen, I would highly not recommend you using this as an eyedropper. It'll make quite a mess. But I just thought I'd tell you that just because I don't know if the children have seen one of those before. But anyways, so you're just gonna choose, I'll try a red one first. So I'm gonna take the red, the eyedropper. Do you remember, if you have eyedroppers, remember let's see, you squeeze. So I've got it squeezed, put it in the liquid, then you unsqueeze to grab the liquid. And then we bring it over to your baking soda, and you just squeeze some right on top, and you watch what happens. Maybe, could you even hear it too? And then maybe you want to try a different color. I'm gonna try some green. No, I think I'm gonna do blue next. Let's try a blue one. Ooh, that's pretty cool. Then if we wanted to try, let's try a green. Oh, that's kind of a light green. It almost looks yellow on the screen. Let's try to see what happens if I'm going to put some blue by the red. So if you have the stuff at home, maybe you could try this one afternoon. What happens, and two moms and dads that after they're done and you don't want it to, if you want to save it, it's kind of cool to play in because it'll feel almost like sand, like wet sand on the beach, boys and girls. You can mix it up and then you can just keep making more like that. And then you can even save it in a baggie, to play with later once you're all done. Like I would have, if I was doing it with the kids in the classroom, boys and girls, with you guys, I would have let you guys just play and play and play with the vinegar, colored vinegar water. And then if you do put it in a baggie, for right now, what I would suggest is if like some of the siblings are gonna wanna make this, if you've got the supplies, that just keep the baggie separate, like put, one child's name on a baggie and have them, what they played in, put it in their baggie, and that your other child, if they want to do it as well, have them put theirs in a separate baggie, so you kind of keep germs together. I know you're all family, but that's what I would do when playing with something like this. So anyways, that's your science for today. And remember, you have a 6 plus 4 to add up and see what the answer is. All right, bye guys.